how to add a custom camera shortcut widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold on a blank spot. Then tap on widgets. Next, we scroll down and then tap on camera. Next, touch and hold on the custom camera and then drag it out onto your home screen and let go. After that, you can put a title for your widget. But first, let's tap on starting mode. So here you can choose a mode. So you can choose rear or front, and then you can choose which mode to use. So for example, video. And then in here, we can tap on the back key, then give it a title. So here we can say front video. Then tap on saved. And here say save pictures and videos to, and choose which albums you want to save your photos or video to. And you can also tap on the create button up here. So here I'm going to choose Bali holiday. And here you can customize the widget background. So here it says use most recent image in the Bali holiday of a lifetime album, or select an image. So I'm going to select the default, then tap on saved. And here you can resize your widget to make it taller or shorter. And that's it. So here when I tap on the shortcut, it will immediately open my camera in video mode with the front camera. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.